Hi, if you're a commercial building owner, a property manager, or a facilities manager that has to deal with commercial flat roofing, this is a must-watch video. I'm Brant Langdon with Gray Roofing and Restoration. Today, I promise I'm going to share some tips that could save thousands, tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, check it out. Commercial roofing projects can be very expensive. Why are the costs so high? We will review the many different scenarios and considerations that contribute to the costs in this video. They vary in cost due to local codes, the age of the building, accessibility of the project, existing layers of roofing that need to be removed, the number of penetrations, what material the substrate or roofing deck or decks are made of, allowable working hours at the project site, and or just general difficulty of the job. Commercial roofing projects are much more complicated than felt and shingles and should not be taken on by your average roofing contractor. Why? It's a flat roof. There is a much higher probability that the roof will leak if it's not installed properly. So please, I urge you, do your homework. Let's start with an older building that has been leaking for years. Depending on the substrate, we may need to replace the entire roofing deck prior to installing the new system. If the insulation underneath is saturated, the roofing system will need to be removed down to the deck in the affected areas. Depending on local building codes, there may be a need to add additional layers of insulation for R value, which means the curbs, mechanical, and walls may need to be recreated and built up as well. All of this requires additional labor and material to complete, which means additional cost. Some buildings are built without any slope causing ponding water. According to manufacturer warranties, ponding water may not exist beyond 48 hours. In these situations, a taper system must be designed and installed beneath the membrane to divert water and create a positive slope. This will add additional cost. Other buildings have multiple layers, which require more labor and time to get the project prepped for system installation. Logistics must be considered to remove and haul debris. For example, we can't just set a dumpster in the middle of the road and throw material off of a building that is 9 stories in the air. We may need to utilize a SkyTrack forklift, a waste chute, or a crane to remove debris. After the debris has been removed and hauled away, we then need to coordinate the staging of the new material for installation. I promised that I would share how to save commercial property owners thousands of dollars, and the promise will be kept and shared shortly. Next, let's look at roofing systems that are covered with mechanical penetrations. Penetrations take more time and additional materials to properly flash. In addition, if we have to add insulation and build up the existing curbs on a roof, HVAC professionals may need to be hired to lift the 5+ ton units. Some units even require a crane to lift. Finally, the last important item to consider before we disclose how to save money on your roofing systems are the importance of warranties. When installing a new roofing system, we always recommend building owners protect their properties by utilizing manufacturer NDLs or no dollar limit warranties. These are usually 10 to 20 year system warranties upheld by the manufacturer that cover both material and workmanship. NDLs are very important for property owners and also come at a cost. These are just a few of the many possible logistical considerations and general challenges that may go into a commercial roofing system and hence why they're so expensive. Before I answer our question on how to save money, let me ask you this. When you buy a new car, if you drove it for 15+ years without getting an oil change or taking it to a mechanic, what do you think would be the end result? My guess would be that your car would not last year 16 and would probably need to be replaced by a new vehicle. Buying cars would probably be at a much greater expense over the years than simply maintaining the car. We all need transportation, right? Let's apply the same logic to roofing. We all need a roof over our heads, right? The roof is protecting one of your assets. Now I ask again, how can building owners save money on their roofing systems? The first step of 2 is to maintain your roof as you would a car. If you maintain your roof every year by hiring a professional who is proactively maintaining deteriorating areas, inspecting and repairing any necessary flashings around penetrations, and ensuring that your system is draining properly, you're well on your way to minimizing the need for constant roof replacement. If a roof is properly maintained and the insulation is not damaged or saturated, it is a great candidate for a silicone roof coating. One of the best, most effective methods for sustaining roofing system longevity is the application of silicone coatings. Coatings are the fastest growing segment in commercial roofing today. Here's the other massive money-saving kicker. Coatings are considered repairs or maintenance, so building owners don't have to pull permits and bring their roofing systems up to current, costly, R-value code requirements. This saves them a boatload of money. But wait, there's more. Coating manufacturers, such as Geico Western, offer the same NDL warranties as the manufacturers will for a new roof. That's right, I said it. Geico, for example, will warrant your roofing system for both workmanship and materials anywhere from 10 to 20 years. It's simple. If a building owner wants to win the long game and save thousands and thousands of dollars, hire a professional contractor and purchase a maintenance plan. After time, assuming a roof coating is an option, talk with your contractor about applying a roof coating. For more information on maintenance plans, roof coatings, 20-year manufacturer warranties, or just simple roofing repairs and roofing quotes, schedule an inspection with a professional by contacting us at greatroofing.com.